Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a hard ball at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need about 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of fine salt, and approximately 3/4 of a cup of water. Also, prepare a large mixing bowl, a sturdy spoon, and a clean, flat surface for the next steps. This ensures a smooth start to your project. Now let's get mixing. In your bowl, combine the 2 cups of flour and 1 cup of salt. Stir them well. Slowly pour in about 3/4 of a cup of water, mixing until a stiff dough forms. Knead this dough for 5 to 7 minutes on a clean surface until it is smooth. Then, carefully roll it into a perfectly round, tight ball, about 2 to 3 inches in diameter. The next crucial step is drying and hardening your ball. Place it on a wire rack to allow air to circulate all around it. Let it air dry for a minimum of 24 to 48 hours in a dry, warm place. For extra hardness, you can bake it in an oven at a low temperature, around 200 degrees Fahrenheit, for 2 to 3 hours. This ensures it becomes very solid. Finally, let's add some finishing touches and review best practices. Once your ball is completely hard, you can gently sand any rough areas for a smoother finish. Consider painting it with acrylics or sealing it with a clear coat for protection and a polished look. Always store your homemade hard ball in a dry place. Experiment with flour and salt ratios to achieve different levels of hardness for future projects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.